Good afternoon, my name is Paul Mahoney. I'm in MarineMax in Huntington, New York, and today we'll be going through the 68 Azimut Fly. The back of this boat here, we have a hydraulic swim platform, the tender. We have a crew cabin for two with a head. We have storage compartment, transom, for fenders or lines. We have storage on both sides over here. Water connections. Dockside power. Going up into the cockpit. And here's the hydraulic swim platform. And here we have a nice big entertaining table, dining table in the back with a U-shape for 8 people. We have sunshade that will come down in the afternoon and go all the way back down to keep the sun off you when you're out on those hot days. Over here we have a storage area. Here we have a lower station with the thrusters and the Volvos. This boat has 1350 Volvos, twin IPS, 1000 horsepower. Back here is the remote for the hydraulic swim platform, boarding doors on both sides. And now we're going to head up to the Flybridge of the 68 Fly. So now we are on the Flybridge of the 68 Fly. In the back here we have 2 sofas, a 3-man and a 2-person sofa with a nice table in the middle here. And then over here we have a very large dining area, a nice sized table for I'd say 8+ people to sit down comfortably. On this side here we have our Kenyan grill. We have refrigerator, ice maker, garbage, little storage, and we have a sink outside. That's deep. Underneath the Flybridge sofa, there's storage here. There's also storage under this one here, and then that one. And then you have another one here. Up here you see a Flybridge camera. There's also one in the cockpit below, and there's also one in the engine room. Moving forward to the helm, we have a large seating area over here, or a bed for 2 people. Great visibility. 2 helm seats, side to side. Garmin GPS radar, GPS plotters. We have the joystick docking for the Volvo pods. Bow and stern thruster. VHF radio. And great visibility. Okay. This boat also has a FLIR out front, plus a spotlight in front of the FLIR. And then we have the aft sunshade. Okay, going into the Salon of the 68 Fly. This particular boat is a galley aft. The boat has 3 different combinations for the galley. It would either be galley aft, as you see here, or galley sort of midship right here. And they have it high, open, and then they have a galley high, closed. That's 3 different options for the galley, this particular one being galley aft. The galley aft option, the window back here will open up. We'll have storage in here with your glassware. Large refrigerator freezer. Wine cooler. Mealy convection oven. Storage. Garbage pail. And more glass storage right in here. There's an area for the flatware that comes with the boat from Azimut. Mealy induction stove on top. A nice storage area in the corner here for any dry goods, paper towels. And then a nice large stainless steel sink. On the starboard side, we'll have a full sofa with a table that will open up. This table will open up to a really nice size. Moving forward, we have another sofa on the starboard side, and then a sofa here, all the way a wraparound sofa with a table on the port side. The TV remote come up from here. There'll be some storage over in this area here. Well, you can put all your remotes for the TVs and stereo in here. Underneath the table, you have a beautiful cherry wood top. There's some storage underneath the sofa in the salon on both sides. Going forward, the distribution panel is hidden, nice and closed off like a piece of furniture. And over here would be the helm seats. Two side by sides. And an access out to the front or to the back with the side door, boarding door. Both seats are high-low, forward and back. Both have leather bolsters, and both of the boats will have footrest also. The twin Garmin screens. We have the bow and stern thruster. All the glassware that Azimut supplies. Going down to the staterooms, right on the port side here is another storage cabinet. And going down, it's a beautiful VIP stateroom. We'll have hanging lockers on both sides. On this side. TV behind the glass with the Bose stereo. You'll have the head, stall shower, beautiful sink. Going forward, we have the day head, another stall shower, sink, toilet, storage behind the mirror. Then we have the twin bunk room. Hanging locker with drawers, 3 drawers. On this side will be the third stateroom, the high-low bunk with TV. Below the high bunk, more storage. Then there's also a TV behind the mirror. Going to the stern of the boat will be the master. Coming down, washer dryer, both Mealy. Coming in, the real large master with beautiful windows on both sides for a crazy amount of light that comes in all the time. A little settee here. Drawer and drawer. This is a split head. The toilet will be on one side. The sink will be in the middle. And then the shower on this side. Coming over here, we have more storage. A nice big locker on the bottom, 2 small drawers up top. Then we're going to go around here. Another locker on this side. Nice hanging locker with drawers below. And the safe also is in there. We have 2 small areas here. And the TV. Another nice feature on this boat, the 68-FLY, is all the storage under the master bed is tremendous. Towels, dry goods, whatever you want to use. On port and starboard side, there'll be boarding doors. Okay, moving to the bow of the boat. And then another sofa here that will turn into a sunbed. Just like that. Teak decks, both sides, teak cockpit. This will be your windlass here in the forward area. Remotes for the windlass. and the other side of the anchor locker. Stainless steel anchor. Coming down is the side entrance door on the starboard side of the 68 that goes right into the lower station of the boat. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this boat, please call MarineMax in Huntington, 631-424-2710.